Is your commercial gas fryer failing to ignite, producing an inconsistent flame, or struggling to maintain the correct cooking temperature? A faulty gas valve could be the reason. Welcome to PartsFe. In this video we'll show you how to replace the gas valve in your commercial gas fryer to restore safe, reliable, and efficient operation. The gas valve is located inside the fryer cabinet, between the incoming gas supply and the burner assembly. It regulates the flow of gas to the burners, ensuring proper ignition and consistent heat during operation. Over time, the gas valve can wear out due to continuous use, high heat, grease buildup, or internal mechanical failure. A failing valve may restrict gas flow, cause delayed ignition, create unstable burner flames, or prevent the fryer from heating properly. In some cases, you may notice a gas odor or difficulty maintaining the desired cooking temperature, making replacement essential to overcome these issues for both safety and performance. Before beginning the replacement, turn off the fryer, disconnect the electrical power, and shut off the gas supply completely. Allow the unit to cool before servicing any internal components. First, remove the access panel to expose the gas valve assembly. Carefully disconnect the electrical wires connected to the valve, making note of their positions for reassembly. Next, loosen the gas line fittings using the appropriate tools and remove the mounting hardware securing the valve. Carefully lift out the old gas valve without damaging the surrounding gas lines or burner components. Position the new gas valve in the same orientation as the original and secure it with the mounting hardware. Reconnect the gas line fittings and electrical connections, ensuring all connections are tight and properly aligned. Reinstall the access panel, restore the gas and electrical supply, and test the fryer for proper ignition, a stable burner flame, and consistent heating. Always perform a gas leak check using an approved leak detection solution before returning the fryer to service. Never use an open flame to check for gas leaks. Replacing a worn gas valve helps improve fryer safety, restore reliable heating performance, and reduce unexpected downtime in busy commercial kitchens. Check the link in the description to safely locate the correct commercial fryer gas valve. For trusted commercial kitchen equipment parts in the USA and Canada, visit PartsFe and follow us for more appliance replacement tips. Thanks for watching.